Hey guys, it's Demo Day 2022. We're here with Ernie from Easy Footings. We're gonna go over some of the products that they offer and the benefits that it can help you out on the job site to save time and labor and also longevity of your product. And so Ernie, can you explain a little bit about what we have here?
So Easy Footings was born out of the desire to have something that would last a lot longer than wood and that would be a lot faster and easier to put together. It's fundamentally the same as wood, only it's a lot lighter and a lot faster. You're using about 1/3 of the stakes. You don't have to have an exact size piece. You don't have to cut anything. So just as an example, a stake point, any stake point's a hinge point. So if this took off on an angle like that, and it could be 90 degrees, it could be 22.5, 45, whatever your angle, these are adjustable both ways. This could grow 32 inches out. And so you have all this adjustability, and you don't need exact size pieces. For instance, this is an example of a pop out. These are called jog sliders. And so by the same token, you've got adjustability this way and this way on your form. So that jog could be anywhere in there.
How many pores are you seeing that guys can get on a set of forms if they take care of them?
Several thousand pores, and they don't have to worry about replacing parts and pieces. They're very durable. I mean, these ends are copolymer. It's basically made of the same stuff, unbreakable combs. You can beat on that pretty good, and it stays good. And you could do that when it was 8 below zero, and it wouldn't make a difference. On your grade, you have two options for grade. You can either use this grade clip if you want to establish grade down inside the form. Just tap those in every couple of feet, chalk your line, and cut that off at grade. And if you want to screed off the top, this is our grade knob. You can put it in any one of these slots. Raise your form to height, tighten that down, and you're at grade.
So Ernie, how do you feel that your relationship with American and coming to Demo Day, I know that you guys have been coming here for a few years, how have you felt that benefit?
It's huge, and this is our 3rd Demo Day. It's just nice to showcase our product and help you guys get sales and customers. We have a lot of customers on the I-15 corridor side of Idaho. This Boise side, not so much, and so it's nice that it's here in this area, and that way we can showcase these for companies that haven't seen the product line before.